UNC has no choice but to reinstall Silent Sam or allow mob rule. I'm going to share with you the memo that I just sent to the Board of Governors, the chairman and my fellow governors of the UNC System, outlining what I believe needs to be done and urging them to take appropriate actions. Here's the memo. Mr. Chairman and fellow governors, after the riots and property destruction resulting in the toppling of the Boy Soldier Memorial, I believe our path forward is made clear under North Carolina General Statute Section 102.1. We have no option other than remounting the monument without delay. For those of you not familiar with the relevant general statute, I have attached a copy with this email. And for those of you listening to this video, it is attached to the video in the show notes. The enabling legislation was passed in 2015 as Senate Bill 22. It cleared the North Carolina Senate with a unanimous vote. North Carolina Attorney General Josh Stein, a senator at the time, and all senators of both political parties voted in favor of this bill. To delay the reinstallation of the monument does nothing but put off the inevitable and encourages more violence by outside criminal elements, as we've already seen. I believe you, Mr. Chairman, should act without delay in ordering Silent Sam placed back on his pedestal. I am proud of the swift action to date to identify and charge the instigators of the criminal activities on our Chapel Hill campus. I am not satisfied, however, with the misdemeanor-only charges levied against the accused. Clearly, felony charges related to rioting and destruction of property are warranted in this matter. We must press the prosecutor on this point. Further, as our investigation continues, if evidence warrants it, we should consider a federal referral for potential RICO, that's Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, actions against the perpetrators. Unlike initial press reports of a student-led spontaneous uprising, nothing could be further from the truth. A review of the videos of the riot and the toppling of the monument demonstrate a trained and skilled team of outside non-student radicals wearing masks reminiscent of the Klan, carrying out a pre-planned, sophisticated attack on public property. It is encouraging that very few of our students appear to have been involved in those nefarious activities. I believe campus law enforcement was highly derelict in its performance of duties by standing back and allowing these outside criminal elements to riot and destroy state property. A thorough, outside disciplinary investigation of the department must be conducted without delay. Like all of you, I take my sworn oath of office with the utmost seriousness and will obey the laws to which I am subject as a governor of the UNC system. Further, I will not stand idly by as students' lives and educational environments at one of our universities is disrupted. Lastly, in these trying times, I must call our attention to the immortal words of Dr. Martin Luther King as he dealt with the forces of hate and violence, and I quote, "Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that." Let us resolve with steadfast commitment to move forward together in love and light as we seek justice and peace at one of our state's greatest treasures and achievements, the University of North Carolina System. I'm Tom Goolsby, and this is the memo that I just sent out to my fellow Board of Governor members. It is my heartfelt wish that peace can come from this situation. But at the same time, the law in our state is clear that we cannot allow mobs to tear down monuments. I will continue to fight for the rule of law in the great state of North Carolina.